Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous video, already we have discussed about how to create binomial coefficient table and methods of interpolation and extrapolation. Okay. In this video, we are going to know about how to solve the problem based on the binomial expansion method. Okay students, we will take one problem. The problem is, from the following data, estimate the production for the year 2001 and 2005 by binomial expansion method. So, here they are given information of year and production. Year and production, they are given information. Year 1995, 1997, 1999, 2001, 2003 and 2005. Next, they are given information of production 20, 40, 70 and question mark. We have to estimate the 2001 production and 130 and again question mark 2005. So, here we have to estimating the values of 2001 year and 2005 of the production. Production they are given in 1000 tons. They are given information in 1000 tons. Let us know about how to solve this problem. Okay students, solution for this problem. First, we should take, let x and y be year and production. So, year we can denote as a x and y production we can denote as a y. Okay, we already know about that. Y is a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. So, year we can denote as a x and production we can denote as a y. So, we should write down the as it is the given information. X is a independent variable, y is a dependent variable. So, production we can indicate as a y, year we can indicate as a x. So, as it is we should write 1995, 1997, 1999, 2001, 2003 and 2005. These are the given information. We have to write as it is. Next, they are given information y values 20, 40, 70. Next, we don't know the value here. Next, 130. Next, 2000 we don't know. After the writing given information, next we have to assigning the base values for y. This is the y values. So, we have to assigning the base values, means first year y base is 0, next base 1, y 2, this is y 3, y 4, y 5. This is the base values we have to assigning for that. After assigning that, next we should identifying the what are the known values. So, what are the values we already know? y0 we already know, one value we already know, 2, 3 and 4. Two values we don't know. We known values only is 4. Known values only 4. So, we should write here known values of y are 4, y are 4. So that we can write here y minus 1 power of 4 is equal to 0, or we can write alternative for that, delta base 4 is equal to 0. So known values are 4. This is the way of indication of known values. After the identifying the known values, next we should creating a formula. We should create the formula. How to creating? So what are the known values? 4 values we already know. So based on that we have to write y4. 4 values we already know. y4 we have to write in descending order. So how to write that one? y4, next y3, y2, y1, y0 is equal to 0. So based on the known values we should write this one. If known values are 5 means we should write y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. If known values are only 2, y minus 1 power of 2, we should write here y2, y3, y1, y0 is equal to 0. This is the way of creation. We have to create formula here. Okay. After the find outing the base values, next we should assigning the signs. So signs are assigning based on the alternatives. First we should write a plus. If we didn't write anything, it's a plus. Next we should write minus. Next alternatives. Next plus. Next minus. Next plus. Okay students, this is the way of assigning a signs alternative. Start with plus, minus, minus, plus. So after the assigning a signs, next we should write the coefficient values. That values will be, we already know how to create. So we already know that binomial coefficient table, how to creating the coefficient tables, means binomial coefficient values. So known values are 4, right? Known values are 4. So here 4 is starting here. So known values are 4. This is the value. This is the 4, power of 4. This is the known values of 3, y minus 1 power of 3. This is the known values of 2. This is the known values of 1. This is the known values of 0. Okay students, this is the known values of 5. When there is a known values of 5, we should write this one. When there is a known values of 6, we should write this one. When there is a known values of 7, we should write this one. Okay students, in this problem the known values only 4. Known values only 4. We should select this one. Okay, let us know how to selecting and writing this one. Known values are 4. First we should write 1. If they didn't write anything also, here 1 is there. Okay, so 1. Next is 4. We should write 4 here. Next is 6. We should write 6 here. Next is 4. We should write 4 here. Next is 1. If you didn't write 1 also, its value is 1 only. Okay students, this is the way of writing the values, coefficient table values. If known values 6 means we should write this one. Okay, if known values 2 means we should write this one. This is the way of writing a coefficient table values. Okay students, after it is the way of creation. After the creation of formula, next we have to simplification of that. So how to simplification? Okay students, let us know about how to solve this problem. After the creation of this formula, next we have to simplification of this. y4, suffix value is 4. So the base value is 4. The value is y4 value is 130 minus 4 y3 value we don't know, we have to write as it is, plus 6 y2 value is 70 minus 4 y1 value is 40 plus y0 value is 20. We have to write as it is. First we should write down the values of plus values. What are the plus values is there? So first we have the simplification of this. 130 minus 4y3 plus 6 into 70. 6 into 70. If a multiplication of this, we will get 420 minus 4 into 40. 4 into 40, we will get 160 plus 20 is equal to 0. Next we have to simplification of that. First we have to, this value we don't know, 4y3, so we have to take a first this one minus 4y3. First plus values we have to add. What are the plus values are there? 130 and 420 and 20. So we have to make total of this one first. 130 plus 420 plus 20. We will get 420 plus 130, 550. 550 plus 20, 550 plus 20, 570 minus 160 is equal to 0. Next we have to simplification of this, plus into minus. So first we have to less this one, 570 minus 160. 570 minus 170. We will get 410 is equal to 0. Next we have to simplification of this. y3 is equal to 410 divided by minus 410 divided by minus 4. 4 cancel. 4 1s are 4 102.5. The y3 value is 102.5. y3 value is 102.5. This is the way of calculating the y3. So y3 means, here y3 means 2001. We already calculated the production of 2001 is 102.5 tons. Okay students, next we should find out the one more production. In 2005 production we have to find out. Let us know about how to find out. So before going to that, so first, based on the first equation, this is the first equation. Based on the first equation we are find out in the 2001 production. Next we have to create a second equation. We can solve the second year value, means second year production. Let us know about how to formation of this. Based on the first equation we have to create a second equation, but in the second equation, the second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffixes of each term of y. Each term of y 1 and keeping the coefficient same, we will get second equation. Okay students, once again I will repeat. This is the first equation. Based on the first equation we should create a second equation. So when we are creating a second equation, we have to follow some condition. In second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffix of each term of y, one value is increasing and keeping the coefficient is same. Means here this is the suffix, the base value is there, this is the suffix value, coefficient means this one, these values. When we are writing it before the y, this is the coefficient value, this is the suffix value. Suffix value is increases by 1. So and coefficient are same. Based on that we can get a second equation. Let us know about how to creation. So y before 1 is there, so as it is, coefficient is not changes, coefficient is constant, but suffix is here 4 is there, here we should write 5 because suffix of the each term y is increasing 1. So I am increasing here, so 4 is there, I am writing here 5. Next minus, this is the coefficient value we have to write as it is, y the suffix value is 3, so we should write here 4. Next plus 6, y 2 is there, we should write here 3, minus 4, y 1 is there, we should write 2, plus y 0 is there, 1. Okay students, this is the way of creation of second equation. Second equation is creating based on the first equation, but we should increasing the suffix by 1 and coefficient are constant. Okay students, based on this information we can simplification of this equation, we will get the next production year value. Okay, we can simplification of this. So y5 value we don't know, we should write as it is, y5 minus 4, y4 value how much, 130, we should write as it is. Next 6, y3 value we already find out it. What is the value? 102.5, we already find out that. Next minus, so y3 value is over. Next minus 4, y2 value how much, 70, plus y1 value 40 is equal to 0. So this is the way of creation of second equation and simplification of this one. y5 minus 4 into 130 we will get 520, plus 6 into 102.5 we will get 615, minus 4 into 70 we will get 280, plus 40 is equal to 0. Next y5, we have to simplification of this, minus values and plus values. So plus values we have to add, after that we have to less the minus values, we will get the final answer 145. y5 value is 145. So y5 means here production of 2005 is 145, the production of 2001 is 102.5. Finally we should give a conclusion here. The production for the year 2005 is 145 in bracket 1000 tons, and the production of the year 2001 is 102.5 thousand tons. Okay students, this is the way of conclusion. So first we should creating a first equation, next we should creating a second equation based on the first equation. Okay students, this is the way of solution for binomial expansion method. Okay students, thank you to all.